investigators are still working to determine specifically what happened and why and who's to blame for yesterday's fatal crash on Highway 41 in Outagamie County. Today, the State Patrol said, though, charges will likely be filed in the crash.
The crash happened yesterday by Holland Road near Little Chute. 42-year-old Matthew Yost of Germantown was killed. 2 people are still in the hospital. The driver of the semi-truck was released earlier this afternoon. Last night, authorities removed the semi from the side of the highway. The State Patrol says charges will likely be filed in this crash, but exactly what those charges will be or when won't be known until the investigation is completed. That could take about 4 weeks. Now, the crash took place in the middle of a 12-mile, $22 million construction zone. Workers are resurfacing the highway and bringing parts of the road up to interstate standards. Fox 11's Evan Peralta explains what officials want you to know to avoid a similar crash.
Last Monday, construction began on about 12 miles of Highway 41 between Highway 15 and County J. And just yesterday, traffic started being restricted to 1 lane near Highway 55 and Maloney Road. The State Patrol says slowing traffic because of a crash just south of that construction where it was still 2 lanes is one of the likely factors that led to this fatal chain reaction crash Monday morning. The Outagamie County Sheriff's Department responded to the first crash.
There's a lot of orange barrels up there. I don't know exactly what caused the initial accident.
What is clear, says Captain Job, is people need to start slowing down in the construction zone.
People who regularly commute there and travel 41 need to give themselves a little extra time and be extra careful. The sort of tragedy that took place yesterday, we can't afford to have that repeated.
Rebecca Royakers, DOT supervisor for Outagamie County, says crews began placing warning signs up weeks ago, alerting people to the upcoming project and lane closures.
The construction, traffic control, and signage that we had out there prior to the crash yesterday was appropriate, and it still is appropriate. And at this time, we do not plan on adding any additional signage.
And regardless of how many signs are out there, she says people just need to plan ahead.
We will have 1 lane open each direction, but of course we are strongly encouraging everybody to think through where they need to go, and if there's an alternate route you can take it.
The DOT is suggesting 41 to 441 to County Highway 00, to 55 to 96 to County U, and then back onto 41 to bypass the construction. In Outagamie County, Evan Peralta, Fox 11 News.
The work around Highway 55 near Kokana is expected to be complete by Memorial Day. The rest of the construction is expected to be done by November.